everybody, it's Neil, and I've been traveling a lot, and I go on the airplane and I end up using their headphones, and it's driving me crazy because they all stink so bad. And sometimes I want to play games and do things like that on the computer. So we have these. These are cool little gaming headphones. So I want to show you guys what these are, and I'll tell you how they sound. I'm going to listen to some music on my iPod because my games don't have as good a sound, I don't think, that I've been playing. But let's show you guys this here. And this is what they look like in here. So it comes with a cool little case that is nice and convenient to have. Looks like it's got some extra little ear tips, and then it has the headphones here with the little loops. And it looks like it came with some extra little ear kind of clip things if you want a different style. So let's give these things a try here. Let me open them up. Looking forward to this, man. I just got back from Germany and listening to their little thing on the horrible headphones. It was driving me crazy. Okay, so let's see. Does it say a right and the left? I guess this one's going to be the left because of the way it's aimed. So it'll aim right around there, kind of goes into my ear like that, and then around my ear. So that one is in. This one here is now in as well. So I have two headphones in. They fit in there pretty good with those little rubber nubs, and I have my little headphone adapter here for my phone. And it says, "Are you connecting a pair of headphones?" I will say headphones. So yes. Can you guys hear it? It sounds so good. No, it sounded like it was coming out live for everybody to see. Okay, I'm just watching me, but let me look up a music video here and see how it sounds. So let's see. Sounds really good. Okay, so I am listening to it's a Coldplay video. I don't know if you can see. It's wow, sounds really good. And I'm gonna pause it for a second because I have it on like about half sound and I hear it really good. And the way they fit into my ears, it almost acts as like a noise canceling because it's all the way in there, so it kind of blocks off all the other sound. So these are really nice. They sound amazing. So I'm gonna say this is sweet. These are really good. So these sound awesome, and these are them here. QKZ is the brand of these, and I love it. So it comes with this little case. So I'll take this little. I don't need the adapter usually when I travel, but it'll plug into my computer for gaming and everything else, and I can just go, and it looks like it has a little microphone place there too, so I can make calls on it as well. And I'll just kind of wrap this back up, and oh yeah, it's gonna fit in there super easy. It fits in there way easier now because it's not in that whole big plastic bag, but I can even put all the other accessories in there as well and close this back up. And now I'm gonna put this in my travel bag so I am always ready to go. Super awesome, thumbs up.